and welcome to my class. This is the next video for our Angry Birds game, and I'm assuming that you have successfully installed the Visual Studio Code and 200 OK by the help of our previous video. So now let us get started. So for that we need some set of files, okay, that we will be starting to create the project. Now how do we do that? I have again a Git repository. That link is already given in my description box. From there you click on code and then download zip. Again, if you need to sign in, then you will have to go to Google and just write down how to log in to GitHub account. How to log in to GitHub, and there you should be fine to find out how you can sign in. That's simple enough. You can simply sign in by your Gmail ID directly. Okay, and otherwise if you don't find, just go to YouTube the same way and search the same thing, like how to sign in to GitHub account. Now since I'm assuming that you have logged into your GitHub account, and then you have a green button here. Just click on code and enter download zip. Select download zip, and once that zip is getting downloaded, you should be able to see it in your downloads folder. Okay, it's already there. So since I'm using Mac, there is unzip is a different way. In Windows you should be clicking the right click and you should be able to get the unzip option. And if you don't know how to unzip, again you just go and to the YouTube and look for the how to unzip a folder. Okay, so now I'm moving this folder into the place where I want to use it. So I am keeping it inside my folder, and from there I will be opening it. And okay, so now if I just double click on it, in Mac there's a uh, thing that we can directly unzip it. It's not required, we just need the unzip folder. Now this one you can rename, because it is named as Angry Birds Prerequisites main, and I have the same thing inside this folder. Okay, so I'm going to remove this also. Till here, if you have downloaded the folder and unzipped it, you should be able to now open this. So what you need to do, you know where you have downloaded and kept the file. So you will have to simply go and uh, in the Visual Studio Code you will be getting the open folder option. From there you just need to go to the path where you have kept your folder. You see, this is my Angry Birds game plan and Angry Birds. The folder, not the file, you need to select. Be uh, conscious at that time. When you select the folder, be sure to select the Angry Birds folder or Angry Birds Prerequisites main folder, whatever you have named your folder, and then open, because if you open the folder, all the files will be appearing in your Visual Studio Code. So now you see all the files are there, the things that I have given you on the GitHub account. Now I'll be doing the same thing using my 200 OK. So what I need to do is I need to go to choose folder, and then again I need to follow the path from where I have then again I'll be selecting the Angry Birds folder, that is my game folder, and then select, and then I should be able to run this. How we run? We do not have any execute option here. We have to go to any browser. Since it's a web browser and I am using Google Chrome 200 server, OK server, so I'm using going to the uh, Google Chrome. How we do it? You can directly, either you can select this link and paste it to a tab, and that also will be showing you the output of the code, whereas you can do another thing is directly clicking on the link, and if you see, the code is appearing, I mean the output is appearing. Now if I do some change here, suppose I want to make the color of a box to be changed. There are two boxes if you see, the sprite boxes. So I just want to change the color. Be sure if once you have done, you go to file and save. Either you have your auto save option ticked just after you install the Visual Studio Code, make sure that on the file you make your enable your autosave option. In that case, you don't have to bother about the saving option every time you do some changes. Otherwise, you just need to click on save. Once it is saved, you need to go, okay, once the 200, in the 200, okay, we have set the folder, we don't need it for the time being. We can keep it there. And then what we need to do is, it's still green, right? Because it is the old code. What we need to do, we need to refresh, we need to reload the page, and if you see, the changes have been done. So now whatever I do here in the code, and if I do save it, and suppose for example I'm showing you again, suppose I make this yellow, and then I'll be choosing what, save, and then I'll be refreshing the page or reloading the page, and this should be done fine. Thank you so much.